Hello there, David Thompson here from theworldoftech.net, and in this video I'm going to be going over some of the command prompt basics in Windows. Just before we begin, I think it's most important that you check out my previous tutorial, part 1, so you don't miss out on anything. So we want to get into the folder owner. So what we can do is just type in cd owner. And now we're in Documents and Settings, /owner. So if we go into owner over here, you see all these folders. And by typing in dir in the command line here, once again we're taken to this. It's not very clear. So if we go dir /b, here you will see desktop, favorites, my documents, and start menu. So over here you can see that there is many more files. They're hidden files though. Over here it is not showing the hidden files. So what we must do is again dir space, and this time we're going to do /ah. So what this does, this is an argument, and I will explain a bit more about that in a minute. So you're selecting a directory, and by /ah you're saying attribute hidden folders. So by hitting enter we will get this again, but we can't make much sense of this. So if we put in dir space /ah/b and hit enter, it then puts all them folders and the hidden folders into a readable form. So now we can see all of them, applications, data, cookies, all that stuff, etc. And as you see, cookies is a hidden folder, so is application data, and you can now see and access all the hidden folders. So if we just go back in, and by doing cd space ... upper folder cd space ... we are now just in the C directory, which is this one here. So C, we're within C. But if you see, I've got many other drives here. I've got Z, I've got E, there's B, A, and D. So say we wanted to access drive D, or drive B even. So say we want to access drive B. We just type in B ... and now we've now changed to B. So we are now inside B. So what we can do is /dir, sorry, correcting myself there. And here it shows you one folder which is in here, an ISK volume 1. And we can do the dir space /b just to see it in a different form there, like we did earlier. But as there's no folders in here, I'm going to switch back to C by typing in C ... and we are back to C. So if we go inside D, C even, and we want to get to Documents and Settings, so we type in cd space Documents and Settings. We are now in Documents and Settings. However, if you're a slow type like me, it is quite inconvenient typing out Documents and Settings. So if we go cd space ... to go upper folder, we are now back in the C. And if you begin to type docu like that, DAOCU, easy as that. And then we do cd .q like that, sorry about that, correcting myself again, and we put a little star like this and hit enter. It will then complete it for you. So it now says Documents and Settings. So cd.q, little star, asterisk, and then hit enter, and it will automatically finish it off for you, which is very, very useful. So what we want to do now is we want to see all the folders within Documents and Settings. So this is an argument. So you can go dir, which is the directory Documents and Settings, and then you can put /, and then you can put your space /, and then you can put your argument. And the argument we're going to use here is S. So by doing that, it's going to now list all the subdirectories. So here we have all of the subdirectories within documents and settings. That's about it for this episode of my tutorials of the command prompt basics. Please stay tuned for my next tutorial where I'll be explaining more about arguments and attributes. Also, head over to theworldoftech.net for the latest tech news and reviews, but until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.